Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making some stuffed peppers. I'm using ground beef. I added onions, tomato sauce, and now I'm adding a brown rice. So I'm just adding a little more tomato sauce. So I cut my peppers in half, then put them in a pan, and I'm going to put them in the oven for a few minutes. Okay, now that I took them out the oven, I'm just filling each pepper. Okay, now I'm going to be adding some cheese on top. I'm using the mild cheddar cheese. Now that I put the cheese on them, I'm just going to be putting them in the oven, and this is how it looks when it's done.